Today we are going to do a quick review and unboxing of the brand new 2021 Jaeger-LeCoultre Master Ultra Thin Moon. We will do an unboxing and I will give my thoughts. But before we go further, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, Watch Manila. Also, please follow our renowned Instagram page at watch_MNL. As a short background, JLC traces its roots to 1833 when Antoine LeCoultre founded the first workshop for the brand. In 1903, the grandson of Antoine, Jacques-David LeCoultre, started developing ultra-thin pocket watches in response to the challenge set by a Parisian watchmaker, Edmond Jaeger, to Swiss watchmakers. In 1937, the brand JLC as we know it today was formed. JLC is known as the watchmaker of watchmakers, as the brand has supplied movements and materials to the leading watch manufacturers. It is important to note that JLC provided the movements for the first editions of the very successful Patek Philippe Nautilus and Audemars Piguet Royal Oak. A JLC movement was also the base movement used by the Vacheron Constantin 222, which is today called the Overseas. Now let's unbox the Ultra Thin Moon. The Ultra Thin Moon comes in this light brownish or grayish box. When you remove the top, you're greeted with a watch box proper itself with the JLC logo at the center. Beneath the box, you will see a manual and your adjustment tool to set the date and the moon phase. The manual contains everything you need to know about your Master Ultra Thin Moon. At the back of the manual, you will find your International Limited Warranty card. Next, we pick up the adjustment tool. If you notice the sides of the watch, you have the provisions to set the moon phase and the date. And this is the tool which you will use. Now we open the box proper. When you open it, you are greeted by the watch itself. The box is simple, plain, and elegant. Now onto the watch itself. This is a reference 1368480. The case is in stainless steel and the dial is called petroleum blue dial. Prominent on the watch face is the moon phase with the stars. The watch case measures 39 mm. The Ultra Thin Moon features a new generation self-winding JLC caliber 925 with a power reserve of 70 hours. You also see that the leather is stamped JLC and it indicates that the leather used is an alligator leather. The clasp with the JLC logo is a deployant one. JLC has had the Ultra Thin Moon for quite a while already, but this year JLC refreshed its dial selections. As an ultra thin model, the watch is indeed thin, sporting a thickness of 9.3 mm, which is thinner than a handful of its moon phase competitors. Also, the watch feels extremely well built. You'll see the solid craftsmanship of JLC in every aspect of this watch. As expected, the watch wears well and is light on the wrist. Overall, we can say that JLC has produced another winner here. This watch is an absolute beauty. It is an impressive timepiece both inside and out. That's it for the quick review of the new JLC Master Ultra Thin Moon. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to make great content.